Okay, time to get into this wig that I got from Amazon. Okay, I decided to make this quick because before I was going through this long thing. So, got this box with this wig in it, and obviously I couldn't read what was on the front of the box, and it's probably because I was tired, as I am now. Got this little cutty comb thing, got this little packet. Was that a packet? I don't remember what that was. I think it was a fresh thing. A scrunchie. It gave me a bobby pins. I don't know what I was going to do with that scrunchie. It was a short wig, but I don't know. Yeah, typical hairnet on your wig. That's the pattern of the wig. It's nice and soft, and it's really shiny, and not in a really like a plasticky type look. It's actually pretty nicely shiny, if that means anything. You got your comb in the front, comb in the back. If you have a hairline that's all the way back there like me, the comb in the front doesn't even matter. Not at all. But yeah, tried to put it on. Then I ended up having to put it on again. And that cap is small, but it does this weird thing where it's like expanding or something. But I don't know. It's weird. But I don't know if it'll be great for anybody with a bigger head than me. I kind of got a little apple head. And I tried to adjusted it some more. I was just playing with it. Yeah. Couldn't figure it out, so I was adjusting it some more. Then I adjusted it some more until I got attacked by a dog. He wants too much love. And her. Yep. And they were walking across me. But yeah. On to the and another dog came. And yeah, if one dog comes, he comes. Yeah. Jealous brownie. Yeah. So I adjusted it some more after doggy nose. Adjusted it some more after that, and then I cut it a teeny bit. I should have cut it some more because I think if I might try and do that. Yeah, I don't know, but it lays really nicely, and like I said, it feels really soft. But yeah, and then I adjusted it with the cutter in my hand. I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, try to put my glasses on and adjust it. That was not really as helpful at all. Did a TikTok. All right, I don't need to be real. I need to be. What the fuck? No, the fuck I don't. Then another day, I, dressed it up when I made my pants. Love those pants. They're weird, but they're nice. And that's it. That's a nice wig. Again, somebody else can style it probably better for themselves, but that's what's gonna work for me for now. Yep. And that's all. Light exposure really is something else. Gotta turn off that light. Yeah, light exposure. Okay.